Hello friends, welcome to my Code Guy channel. Today we will solve the lab Build a Planet class. The link to the source code will be available in the description below. As a first step, we need to define class Planet. We successfully passed the first test, let's get forward. The second step, we need to define init method. The method, it is a function that is defined inside the class body. Def _init _self name planet type star. Self name equals name, self planet type equals planet type, self star equals star. This line takes the value that were passed into the class and save them inside the object. Think about it as a blueprint. The name, planet type and star, it is an information that we can erase and put another values. We pass tests 2 and 3. If name, planet type and star are not strings, we need to erase type error. Name, planet type and star must be strings. Type value we will check with is instance function and use not or operators. To create error in Python, we can use erase keyword. Type error, it is a function that we can pass any string we want. We passed test 6, let's get forward. If name or planet type or star are empty strings, we need to erase value error name planet type and star must be not empty strings. Now we finish with the init method, we pass tests from 7 to 12. Step number 3, we need to create orbit method. This method takes self parameter and return the string self name is orbiting around self star. Tests 13 and 14 are done. Now we need to create string __ method that will return string planet name, planet type, star, star. We passed tests 15 and 16. The last couple of things to do. First of all, we need to create 3 instances, planet 1, planet 2 and planet 3. I'm not very creative with it, I will just pass Earth, terrestrial, Sun, Jupiter, gas giant, Sun, Venus, terrestrial, Sun. Test 17 is done. For the passing 18 tests, we need to call string method. And it is a little bit tricky because __str__, it's a special method, sometimes called a magical method. We can call it without actually calling it. Everything what we need to do is just reference to the instance of the object. To call the orbit method, we need to put instance, planet1 for example, dot orbit parentheses. Okay, we are done. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.